mizi Mingua no jimiso Anajusum na oda Odo ye ubezowe Mido yezi bezowe Kasa talen me waho mawo Odo ye usi mido sunu tino Odo ye wuni muhiya Yena no nekasa Odo ye ubekume Mido yezi bekume Mido yezi miwaho mawo Odo ye fone sikla nyana sem Ochaya shene pre
Jesus.
Hey! Sorry, me dead me. I didn't know that way. Huh? Then I will.
What am I doing?
What is it?
What am I doing? I'm sleeping. You just came to wake me up.
I'm waking you up because you are doing unnecessary doing.
No.
What were you doing?
What do you disturb me?
Disturb?
What? Why?
My friend, stop that. Stand up.
What? What's the problem?
Where?
What's the problem?
My problem is
what?
Is in
I'm
Ghana.
sleeping.
No,
let me tell you
something.
You just came to wake me up.
In Africa.
In what?
In Africa or Ghana. I mean Ghana to be precise. Ghana, when you sleep and at the same time you are doing this, it means
it's what?
It's a spiritual
You know how
marriage.
much I'm feeling my sleep.
I said it.
You said what?
You are sleeping with Mami Water.
Who?
In Mami Water in
What?
your dream.
What you say is
When
true.
you sleep and you are doing, you play before you sleep.
No, I didn't play.
That's why.
I didn't play. I just went to bed.
No, that's why. That's why Africa, Ghana to be precise. Whenever you sleep and you did not invite God in your sleeping, we make
We
you
don't say like
say
that. If you want it's time for you to go to bed, just go to bed. Are you sure?
Yes.
Because I was just feeling something.
Feeling you na make am one sem no wabedi.
Oh my God.
Wabedi.
Shit.
Wabedi oda bompa ye.
I understand. I'm gonna do that next time, yeah?
Next time,
next time I'm gonna pray before I sleep.
See, I owe that bompa ye and water.
No, because I'm enjoying it, so
enjoy.
Next time I'm gonna do that.
Aqua say I'm enjoying. Enjoy say.
You just came to this supermarket sleeping. Why? What's your problem? I understand you said next time, so you're just gonna take my nap.
Okay. Thank you. sleep. Don't worry. Eh? I was coming to check you if you are awake or not.
Yeah, I was feeling something in me. Just came to
So when are you waking up?
Just let's say 30 minutes ahead, then you can wake me up. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I will come back. I will come back.
Jesus.
Hey!
Who's that?
Me that again.
Who's that?
Me that.
Oh, wow, you were sleeping. Come on. Mister, don't do that again. I'm feeling your body, yeah?
Ah, Chairman. Who are you? Sorry.
Oh,
Sorry.
take it easy.
Easy, sir.
Oh, shit.
Shit, you see a janai.
Yeah, I'm feeling it. I just feel something in me, okay?
Sorry. Wake up.
Yeah, what's the problem, yeah?
My problem is you are encounter with a spiritual wagon. What are you doing in this? What are you doing?
Why all these questions?
The question why I'm questioning you.
Just leave me. I'm okay now.
Hey,
so
why
did you come and wake me
Don't
up?
go to your mom, Payima. You need a deliverance.
I need to.
I have to deliver you from evil. Yes.
What do you mean by evil?
I have to deliver you from evil.
What do you mean by evil?
Evil is I doing
I was enjoying, yeah.
Enjoy. We hear the enemy see Kenya na ehye no. Wo ba ji kwe, that's why you change your passport to be she. We yes sir, unu se onkrata betimi ahye.
What are you talking about?
Yes, your papers can be burning.
Who told you?
Like a rap burner.
Oh, you don't know what you're saying. You don't know what you're saying.
It will burn.
Really?
Yes, so stop that. Kneel down, let me deliver you from evil.
What do you mean by kneel down?
Yes, I have to deliver you from evil.
You want to pray for me?
Yes, I pray for you.
Are you sure you can pray for me?
I'm praying for you. That evil has attacked you. Must come out with a pair. What you feel so called? What it? Every me do a cool new addition more genuine. Who be a little bow if you have
don't push me so much. Take your time.
And when the thief is a moye. And may you may you for years. Why?
Okay.
Especially so good for
it's okay, continue.
Every who be a
why are you hurting me so much?
That's
you try to push me.
And I'm saying, a thief 1 year. A big PM, a big Bobby.
But take it easy with me, okay?
Martin, Yashi. Who be a lot? One over better. I said, the bomb in some, one of the bomb fire. And Qualusu, or Surija, and Qualusu, fire. Wababu, whatever caps, whatever caps, Yan Dan, why Bruce Cotompia, and Qualusu,